What's good, everybody? It's been a while since I've made a video for my channel. I didn't want to abandon it, but anyway, so I'm gonna do a video and right quick, and I want to show you how you can run cheats and mods, or basically cheats, on an Xbox console. All right, and so the three things that you need. Obviously you need an Xbox, you need an Xbox console, you also need a subscription to Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, and it has to be Ultimate, and there's a reason for that, which I will cover. And then the third thing is that you need a computer or PC running Windows 10 or Windows 11. So those three things right there are what you need, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how this is done from here. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is on your Windows computer, you want to install this program called WeMod at WeMod.com. So obviously you're going to download it for Windows. So you download it and you go ahead and install it. Okay, with WeMod installed, basically WeMod is a collection of game cheats and trainers all in one application. And so as you see, they got a whole bunch of different games, and so this platform works for Steam games, and then it also works for Xbox games, and I'm going to show you how that works out for the Xbox games. So your next step will be to make sure the Xbox app is installed on your computer. So Windows 10 11 usually come with the Xbox app pre-installed or whatnot, but you may have to go into the Microsoft Store and re-download it. You might have to update it or something like that. But basically, you want to run it, see if you got it, run it, make sure it's up and running. And so from there, the reason why I said you would need Game Pass Ultimate is that you want access to PC Game Pass. So you basically go through all the PC Game Pass games that are available, see which one you like, see which one you want to play. Once you have selected a game that you're interested in, you want to download the game to your computer. Now, it doesn't matter if your computer doesn't have the specs to run the game. You just want to download it and install it. And from there, once you figured out which game or games you want to play, you want to come to WeMod and see if WeMod has a trainer for that exact same game. So for my example, I'm going to go with Dragon Quest. Oh, by the way, not only do you have to download the game onto your computer, and you also have to download it onto your Xbox console as well. So just download both. Just do both downloads at once, basically. So as you see, if we come over here, as you see, it says installed on Xbox, where you'll be able to set it up. Initially, you'll get the option of Steam or Xbox, and so you want to, once you have the game installed on your computer, you want to come over here to WeMod and get it set up where WeMod can actually launch the game. And then so we'll go ahead and click play, and you can do the paid version, but I stick with the free version. All right, so it's gonna load up, and so we'll be back in one moment. Okay, so once you got the game running on your computer or your PC, now here's the thing: if you because most of these Xbox games, they require, if you download it directly, they require like a gaming PC to play the game, to run the game correctly. So in this case, if you don't have a gaming PC, because I don't have a gaming PC, in this case, just turn all your specs down to the lowest. Just turn them down to the minimum, because you're not actually playing the game on your computer. You just need to get it running long enough to run some of these cheats. So once we got that, so once the game is up and running, we come over here back to WeMod. Okay, so with me, back at WeMod, from here, you just go ahead and toggle on the whatever cheats that you want. So like I'll do like a gold multiplier. Let's see, which is F3. Let's see. And then I'll do unlimited items, and then unlimited casino tokens, and then we'll do unlimited. Well, I don't want unlimited experience, but we'll do unlimited control. Oops, wrong one. We'll do unlimited skill points. So it's basically whatever cheats you want to run with. And let's see, we'll do unlimited perfectionist pearls, and then mini medals, and then I also prefer to have some kind of money cheat here. Let's see where it's at. All right, so. Okay, so basically you go ahead and toggle the cheats that you want, and once you have your cheats toggled, you go back to your game. So you'll come back to your game and you'll save your game. Now the thing is that when you save the game, it's actually saving on Xbox Cloud. So the cheats that you ran here theoretically will transfer over to the console, because it's pulling from the save file on the cloud, which I will show you next. So when you launch the game on your Xbox console, you'll see it says you were already playing this on Windows, and then so you'll click go ahead and launch here instead. So you see how I boosted up my money, and then I'll show you the other part here. So if we go to my item bag, since I picked unlimited items, now you see how I basically, well, let's go back here. So I have like 99 of most of the items. So that is the trainer cheat that I ran on the computer. Has taken effect pretty much. Now you remember me, I selected basically unlimited perfectionist pearls. Now if you see over there, I got 9,853 perfectionist pearls. So that means that cheat activated as well. The thing is, not all cheats will translate over. So you just basically gotta try. It's like hit or miss. But you know, it works most of the time, and it's effective. Myself, I run cheats because I don't really have time to dedicate it to games like that. So I want cheats to be able just to run through the game as fast as possible. I still like playing games, but I need a little help so I can get through it. But yeah, so that is how you essentially are able to run cheats on your Xbox console for various games. I am going to try to get this channel up and cracking again with more technology stuff. This is the first video I've ever made about a video game or video game related, so I would like to get into that more as well. But yeah, so hey, if you like this, if you found this useful, I understand Xbox Game Pass is $30 a month now. I get it, you know, but if you find this useful, you know, go ahead and hit that like, share, subscribe button. You know, I'm just trying to get my numbers up.